Welcome. The Passive Sampling Technology Update team is proud to present an overview of the BioTrap passive sampling technology. This quick video will provide a high-level overview of the device, as well as instructions on how to use, deploy, and retrieve the device. For more information on this and other passive sampling technologies, please visit the Passive Sampling Technology Update Guidance document. The BioTrap sampler is an accumulation-type device used primarily for groundwater and secondarily for surface water sampling. The sampler is deployed within a conventional monitoring well or to the bottom of a surface water body and allowed to incubate, to collect microbial samples for analysis to assess an aquifer's or surface water body's biodegradation potential. While deployed, the surrounding aqueous media configuration absorbs contaminants and nutrients present in the water over a period of time, creating an in situ microcosm that is colonized by microbes. The BioTrap sampler consists of a slotted PVC casing that contain an array of 2 to 3 mm diameter BioSep beads. The BioSep beads are made of Nomex and powdered activated carbon and provide a substrate for microbial accumulation. To deploy the device to a monitoring well, the sampler is attached to a suspension line and lowered within the center of the monitoring well screen or desired interval. In surface water, the BioTrap device is lowered through the water column to the desired depth, ensuring the sampler is kept out of sediments. Secure the suspension line to a firm point on land or a floating buoy. The sampler should be deployed for 30 to 60 days to ensure recovery of detectable amounts of the microbial community. Upon retrieval, remove the sampler from the well or surface water body, pack the samplers on ice, and return to the manufacturer for analysis. The colonized microbial community present in the sampled aqueous medium can be analyzed using a variety of molecular biological tools to evaluate the biodegradation potential for monitored natural attenuation, or to evaluate in situ enhanced bioremediation strategies. Some of the advantages of the BioTrap sampler are: the collected sample allows for an integrated view of microbial activity rather than a snapshot. The device is used in situ. The collected microbes can be analyzed with any molecular tool, and the device has a strong adsorptive capability. The limitations of the device are: the microorganisms must actively colonize the trap, so the sampler may miss low concentration processes or organisms, and the sampler must be left in the sample location for at least 30 days and requires 2 trips to the field for deployment and retrieval. For more information on the BioTrap sampler and other passive sampling technologies, check out the ITRC Passive Sampling Update web guidance.